Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do an unboxing for my Simon Says stamp card kit, and this is the Just Miss You kit. So I'm just gonna quickly go through the items in this kit, and I'll come back with a separate video making a few cards with this kit. Alrighty, so those are the items. Let me grab the information sheet here. Alright, so this is the inspiration sheet, the sheet that tells what all the contents in this kit. And I'm just going to go through each item. So this is the Just Miss You kit, and for this kit you get the new Simon Says stamp Just Miss You 6x8 clear stamp set, and that is this stamp set right here. Sorry about the glare and this awkward position that I'm that I'm in, because I have a small area that I'm working on here. Anyway, love the clouds, the little hearts, so you can make them into balloons. You see the little person hanging from the string of the balloon. And I'm just going to read off the sentiments. This one says, I totally hugged this card before mailing it. That's sort of like sending a hug, right? That's cute. I am here, you are there. And there's a sad face. I miss you, just wanted you to know. I miss your face. I miss your laugh. I miss your hugs. I just miss you. This one says, sending sunshine. This one says, wish you lived closer. This one says, consider this a paper hug. I wish we were merely 6 feet apart. Can't wait to give you a real hug, hopefully soon. Sending happy thoughts. Here's something to hold since I can't hold your hand. Hug enclosed. Miss you. I really miss you. My heart misses you. I miss you. Across the miles. I was thinking about you yesterday. I wondered how you are, what you're doing, and how it couldn't be possible to miss you more. I was wrong. I think I miss you even more today. And this is the large sending smile sentiment. And then this, oh, that's all of them actually. A really nice set of stamps to send, just to say, hey, I miss you. So I like this. Yeah, so that's the stamp set. You also get 2 envelopes here. You get one Simon Says stamp white A2 envelope, and then you get the one Simon Says stamp craft 4-bar envelope. That's this one. So you get the envelopes. This is just one of those info cards about Stamptember, which is a month-long stamping party. They have a lot of like specials and new products over at Simon Says Stamp. This is the die, a pretty nice size die, and it says sending smiles, and it coordinates with the stamp, and it cuts the outline of the sentiment as well. So can't wait to play with that. Got my little lollipop, and then there is the 12 double-sided sheets of American Crafts Vicki Boutin Let's Wonder 6x8 paper. Sorry if you hear my dog barking in the background. I closed her out. She's mad. Okay, so I'm just going to flip through this really fast. Some really fun papers. Whenever I see Vicki Boutin paper, I know that it's Vicki Boutin. Really pretty. Colorful. Love this one. The little Polaroids. That. little letters, stars, and here's some more cut aparts. It says travel is my therapy, things to do, great outdoors, let's explore. This is a great set of cut aparts for like a little travel journal or mini book. Here's some more cut aparts, and here's the back. So I love all of those papers. Okay, and then you get cardstocks by Simon Says Stamp, and these are all 100-pound cardstocks. And you get royal purple, you get peacock, doll pink. I have quite a collection of this. This is the Nina White, 110 pounds. And then this one is Sunshine. So you get 5 sheets of paper, cardstock paper. And then you also get a bag of sequin. And this is the new Simon Says Stamp Smiles sequin pack. Just really pretty, like pastel, pink. You get green, kind of iridescent, orange. Just a really fun sequin mix. And you also get this Vicki Boutin mini cards in envelopes. You get 12 mini cards and envelopes. These are so cute. I'm just going to take one out here. This is so cute. So tiny. Look at here. This is so cute. Look at that. And you can actually pull the little card, like the little note card out. And you can put a little message. It unfolds. You can put a little message. That's cute. That's really cute. Or you can use this. You can embellish something. Have your greeting here. It's cute. So you get 12 of those. This is cute. All different patterns. So that's really cool. And last but not least for this, you get this jewel picker, and this is the Marvy jewel picker. And you have the fine tip, sticky tip, and then you have the more broad, wider sticky tip, picking up larger items. And this is going to go perfect with adding my sequin to my project. So can't wait to get into this. I am going to probably jot down a few ideas of some card ideas that I want to try, and then I'll come back in another video to share with you guys on how I use this kit. Super fun and colorful, and it's just perfect for the month of September, which is Stamptember. So we got to get some stamping and some card making in there. So that was that. And then I also wanted to share with y'all, where's my box? I also wanted to share with y'all these digital papers that I told y'all, I mentioned to y'all in my last video. I had ran out of printer ink, and I was able to get some from Office Depot. So I did print out a few more of those digital scrapbook papers because I'm working on some Halloween embellishments right now, and I saw this paper on Etsy and I thought it was really pretty. And this comes from Digital Curio. That's the shop. So I'm just gonna show y'all. I think y'all might have already seen it. No, this is the one with the green. They all coordinate, just really pretty floral papers and patterns. Just really pretty. And that's not all of them. I just printed the ones out that I thought that I would use for my projects. So I can always print the other ones, and I've been just keeping them in this little envelope, this plastic envelope I got from Dollar Tree. Then also I got a couple other items from Joann's the other day that I didn't get to share with y'all. I got this Park Lane cards in envelopes, and this is the 3x3 cards and envelopes, and I got this. I really didn't have to get this. I can make my cards in my envelopes, but I thought this would be a really fast way to make some 3x3 Halloween cards, note cards, and so that's what I'm going to be using these for. I got this gold metallic paper, and it's cardstock. I'm not sure why I got it. I have some gold metallic. It just was so pretty on the shelf. Anyway, I got this like iridescent one. It's so pretty. I didn't have this so I picked that one up. And those are $2.49, and I used coupons as well. And I also got some scrapbook papers. The single papers, they were on sale for 10 papers for $2. So I got 2 of these, this black with gold stars, and I'm not really sure who this is by. It feels like vellum, but it's black with gold stars. Then I got 2 of these, and these are American Crafts. These are the Halloween cut-aparts. Got some really cute ones here. So, I got this one with the little spider webs, also American Crafts. I got this one. I love, love, love this pattern right here. This is also American Crafts. I just got papers that I thought would coordinate good together. And then I got this one with the little skulls. And these are all scrapbooking papers. And then I picked out some cardstock as well. So I got this black with silver stars, and this is cardstock. So this is heavier than the paper, the gold ones. Okay, and then I got this is by Basil, and I got 3 of these. I don't think I meant to. I was just supposed to get 2 of each, but I think they were stuck together. So this is orange with the polka dots, and these are actually raised, so they're like embossed. I got the green, 2 of those, same by Basil with the little embossed polka dots. I got this purple with the large metallic polka dots, and this is Basil as well. And then I got 2 of these by Coordinations. I love this plaid. I have so much plaid papers, but I don't think I had orange. So this is just orange plaid by Coordinations. So that is pretty much all I needed to share with you guys today. And just a quick sneak peek at some Halloween embellishments and bag toppers that I've been working on. Really pretty. And I used stuff from that I had hauled last year, and also stuff that I picked up the other day. So cute, right? This is like basically meant like I think like either a perfume bottle or a nail polish bottle. I got this die that I used to cut this. I got the die from AliExpress, and I showed y'all that in my AliExpress haul a while back. But I thought this would be cute as like a spooky potion bottle, and so I just embellished that. I cut off one of those little skull rings from Dollar Tree, added some ribbon, made it into a shaker, added some metallic paper at the top just to embellish more. So that's what I've been working on. If y'all are interested in seeing me actually make some of these embellishments on camera, just leave me a comment down below and I could definitely do that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed and you would like to, just click the link below or to the side, wherever the red subscribe button is. Just click that button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.